Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will be unboxing ST901 tracker. ST901 tracker, also known as Sinotrack 901, is a GPS and GPRS tracker. This tracker performs two basic functions. It tracks and it detects ignition. These cables are used to connect your tracker to the positive, ground and accessory terminal of your vehicle. The tracker comes with a sticky pad that can be used to attach the tracker to a vehicle. It also comes with a manual that directs you on how you can connect your tracker to the Sinotrack platform. It directs you on how you can set your geofencing alarm, overspeeding alarm, shock alarm, low battery alarm, and ACC alarm. It also directs you on how you can use short codes to access your tracker. You can access your tracker through GPS and GPRS on your mobile device. All you need to do is to download Google Map and Sinotrack app. The tracker has a built-in battery of 150 mAh. It uses the normal SIM card and it is waterproof. It has a real-time tracking of 30 seconds and it requires no subscription fee and no activation fee. The downside of this tracker is that it has no sound feedback, hence you cannot hear any conversation in your vehicle. Also, it cannot cut your engine, meaning that it cannot stop your vehicle. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly click on the subscribe button to enjoy more content from us.